What is going on, guys? In today's video, it's really loud inside my house right now with everybody in there. So right now what I want to go over is, how to not give back all your gains in the stock market. It's probably cropping my head off because I don't really have a good place to put my camera. But with that being said, I think this is a very important video, so let's go ahead and jump right into it.
I've been getting dirty money.
So I know a lot of people, and a lot of people come to me, they start making money, and that's a great feeling and everything. But what happens, when the one that you choose, because again, I have a 93% accuracy on swing trades. What happens with the one that, it doesn't go well? So you have to learn to cut those. Those do happen. Now, with that being said, what if you're day trading? And I used to run into this all the time when I was first starting, and I had a strategy that was working, and I was making money, and I was making good money, but how to not give back. So I always tell people, you're buying more than one share more than likely, or you're buying more than one contract. So I think the biggest thing really when it comes down to it is allowing yourself to find a goal. So you guys should have done enough back testing when trying to find a strategy and everything that you know exactly kind of where the average percent is that you can sell and be comfortable with. And then find that, take about a 0.5% to 1% off of it, lock in 75 to 50% of your profits right there no matter what, and then use a stop loss where you entered. Now, what does that mean? So basically you buy at $1. For instance, I'm not recommending anybody buy a $1 stock, but you buy it for $1, say your average is 5%, it runs up to 5%, and then that's where your average goal is. Say you take 75% right there, and this is what I do a lot, is even on options and contracts, I'll take 75% here, let the rest run. Now sometimes that other 25% will skyrocket up, and you make a lot more money. But what happens is, you see this a lot, is stocks have pullbacks and stuff like that. I don't even care if it does pull back. I'm alright with sitting through a pullback. What I'm not okay with is where my entries here, that 5% was here, and you see stocks normally, dip down below it and go back up. Well, I'm not in it for that dip down below it part. I literally keep my stop loss right where I entered, let it go down. As soon as it hits it, I'm cut it, I'm out. And that's how I eliminate a lot of my risk when I have profits. Now again, when the stock's an actual loser, that's a different story. But when something, you have profits and you keep making money, but you're giving that all back to the market and you want to stop that, this is the perfect scenario for you to actually be able to sit in your seat, be comfortable with trading as long as you guys have a strategy that works, and hit these goals quite easily actually, because then you can just let things ride. And no matter what, you're coming out of this stock profitable, and that leaves a ton of peace of mind, especially for me. I know even swing trading, you guys will see me a lot of times on options, and I'll be up 50% on the whole position, and I will take a chunk of it out. Literally 75% of my position, as close as I can get to 75%. You guys know how numbers work. But I'll take 75% out of it, and I'll let 25% run. Today was the perfect day. I was invested in Yeti. I had multiple contracts. I sold a lot of them yesterday for, I think it was like 40% or something like that. And I was holding on to just a few more, even in my smaller account that I trade with live. And I allowed that to go through. And what happened is I just kind of wanted to get rid of one of them in my small account because I never took it yesterday. I held both of them for a bigger gain, which was a little bit more risky. I don't recommend you guys to do that. I've got a lot more money that I can refund a smaller account with, so that's why I do it. But it hit, and I didn't take it on the small account until today. I was like, you know what? I need to follow my own rules and take out the one, because I had two in the small account. So I took out the one, I put the order in, and somehow it ended up getting filled for both of them. That does happen. Those are mistakes. But the worst case scenario, you just locked in profit completely. So no matter what, you can't get stopped out by that other one. So I think this is going to help a lot of people in using this strategy in order to make sure you're not giving back a lot of profits when it comes down to trading. So thank you guys all for watching. Again, I wanted to keep this video short. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button, guys. And I'm still producing more videos for you guys. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.